that?
Yeah, bunny.
Yeah.
Bunny. Yes.
And just bunnies. Are they cute?
Good.
They're in a garden, honey. You don't even know what a garden is yet, do you? Okay, how cute does it look with the barn, huh?
Yeah, that's really cute. Can't really like get her face.
What do you think, Viv? Oh!
That's so cute.
Yeah, bunny.
Yay, bunnies! That's your fence. And fences are supposed to keep the bunnies out, Viv, but, you know, bunnies. Or she just moved the whole fence. Would you like some help? The bunnies sneak into the garden and they eat all the lettuce, Viv. Can you believe those bunnies?
Ma.
Oh,
She wants to see now.
Okay.
Okay, so press the red button again.